The sound of the streetcars rattles my heart and keeps me up all the time. They clatter and they bang and they rumble like rain all through the night. And they sound as lonely, lonely as anything, lonely as anything at all. It's just the sound of steel scraping on steel that reminds me that you're gone. Gone to a town where everyone hangs around on hardwood floors, and they all smoke American cigarettes and wish they were William Burroughs. And do you miss me? Do you miss me at all? When you hear the streetcars go by, do you miss me? Do you miss me at all? When you hear the streetcars go by. And I looked up at the moon and I thought of you, and I thought of me, and I wished you were near me to drink with me, to get drunk as can be. 'Cause I remember quite clearly, so plainly, you said you'd never go far from me. You said you wouldn't leave me, so where does that put me now that you're gone? And do you miss me? Do you miss me at all? When you hear the streetcars go by, do you miss me? Do you miss me at all? When you hear the streetcars go by, do you miss me? Do you miss me at all? When you hear the streetcars go by, do you miss me? Do you miss me at all? When you hear the streetcars go by, when you hear the streetcars go by.